Hello, in this video, I would like to talk about vehicle routing problems, and I will show you specifically how to deal with those problems when you have much bigger data set. So in previous video, if you haven't watched it yet, please watch that 9.1 where we dealt with four customers and two trucks. Now I would like to deal with 20 trucks and 400 demand points. So to be able to do that, first I would like to download the CSV files that I have for this. One for customers CSV file, one for trucks CSV file. Three dots, download original file, and then three dots, download original file. And also I want you to download 9.2 vehicle routing problem for 400 customers. Three dots, download original file. And then we can go to our browser and go to Google Colab and make sure you are logged into your personal Gmail account, which is free if you don't have one. Google Colab, open Colab, and upload, browse. And I would just upload the file that I just downloaded from Blackboard, the Python file. And what I can do here is click on the little folder icon right here. And if you have way too many sessions, you can terminate other sessions to be able to continue using Python via Google Colab. Wait until it connects to your runtime. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time. And then upload. Here you can upload both CSV data files. Okay. And now I can run the first part of code, import pandas library, which will be abbreviated as PD, which is very useful for data analysis. Now we will uh, download we will upload the downloaded files, which are one for customers, one for trucks. Make sure that the names match identically. So here this should be 9.2 VRP underscore customers underscore 400 data. And then the second file is 9.2 space trucks underscore 20. Let's do this. Okay. And then we will build some lookup tables using the zip function. And basically, these are going to be dictionaries matching customers with corresponding distances as well customers with corresponding demand amounts. And let's do that. And then we will read the track capacities, which is a separate CSV file, and we create another um, lookup table between truck and capacity. Boom. And here you can see that we get an error and is in no such file or directory 9.2 let's see 9.2 trucks underscore 20. Okay, I'm missing data, so I should put here data as well, space data. And then let's do this again, run, 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 and run in order. You gotta run in order. And now what I would like to do is create a tiny helper function to sort our data based on distance. Then we'll create a unserved list, and then we will create a route, a blank route, and we'll start adding things or demand points visited into that route. And then here we will have for loop based on T for each trucks, and in this case we have 20 of them. And capacities will be read as well for each track. And each track will start with zero load and will start at depot. And then we will try to visit them based on unvisited or unserved demand nodes and based on also the lowest distance from our current location. And if the load plus the new demand closest node is less than that truck's capacity, then we will add that customer to that truck's route. and update the current load amount for truck to keep looping to see whether we can fit more jobs. And then at the very end, we would like to add the depot because all the trucks must come back to our original depot. And then we will remove, for each loop, we will remove the customers from unserved list so that we don't have to deal with them again and again. And then we will put all together under routes. But append function, we will put basically trucks and routes and load amount and capacity amount. And then we will show the plan by running this code. Basically, it will just show us the truck number. You can see there are 20 of them, and then capacity numbers for each truck, and how much load do they currently have, and utilization rate, which is load divided by their current capacity. And you can see each truck's route depending on the truck. There are 20 of them. And we have one, two, three, four, five, six unserved locations or customers out of 400 because of limited capacity that's given. That's it for this video. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.